Hey guys, welcome to Tuesday Tasting with Todzsa. Today I'm going to show you how to make zucchini bread, okay? Obviously you want to have a zucchini or some type of squash that's like similar to a zucchini. This is a lemon squash, even though I don't know why some of them start turning green. So I'm finna use these because I picked them out of the garden. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is have 2 cups of flour, okay? I'm going to sift it in my bowl. You want to get a half a cup of brown sugar, half a cup of organic cane sugar or whatever. Organic cane sugar. And I got light brown sugar, but you can use whatever. If you got dark brown, it don't matter. Then you want 3 teaspoons of baking powder. You want a teaspoon of cinnamon. I'm not measuring that. 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg. Here again, I got to be 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg. I'm obviously not finna measure this, okay? That's probably more than enough. Probably too much. Nutmeg's strong too. Jeez, and crackers. Whatever. Alright. Now sift that on about. See it? Then whatever don't go in there, toss it. Yeah, smell nutmeggy. Whatever. And I forgot half a teaspoon of salt. Should have put that in already. I ain't finna measure no salt neither. Shit. So sift that all together instead. Put your salt in with your sifting shit. I forgot. Alright, put that up in there. Give it a whirl and a twirl. There you go. Next thing you want is a cup of grated zucchini, okay? Already grated mine up. Well, this lemon squash that turned green for reasons unbeknownst to us. Or me. You know why my lemon squash going ahead turn green. You let me know. Put that on in there too, okay? Now, in the meantime, you want to make a flax egg, okay? You want to put a tablespoon of flaxseed meal on 3 tablespoons of hot water. Mix it about. So you stir that flax egg about. You want to just sit that to the side while we do the rest of this here recipe, okay? After you put your zucchini shreds in there, all right, you want like a half a cup of some applesauce. I don't have no applesauce. And, because obviously I don't buy shit like that. I make my own. I'm finna put some pear sauce up in mine. I don't expect you to be making your own. So you put a banana up in here instead. Like 1 banana ripe and smashed. Or a half a cup of applesauce, pear sauce, some type of fruit sauce. What I'm finna do is, of course, I'm gonna put this on in my Vitamix. You wanna get yourself one of these because this why. Stuff like this here. I don't have to buy me no damn applesauce or nothing. Make my own. Okay, so now I got pear sauce right here. Now what you want to do is, you want to go to the link in my bio, find my Amazon store, and pick you up one of these here. Boom! And you better get over to my Amazon store and get you a Vitamix. Stop fucking around with that other bullshit. So I'm finna mix this up. At this point, I'm finna add this flax egg up in here. Boom. And then I'm gonna get me a 1/4 cup of milk and a 1/4 cup of coconut oil, okay? What I got right here is cashew milk that I had made. Alright, 1/4 cup of coconut oil. Put it on in there. And then you want to add a teaspoon of vanilla. I love vanilla. I don't measure that. So just go ahead and put in there enough, okay? As per usual, if you're living right and you're right with the world, the ancestors will tell you that's enough, child. Alright, here. That's what we got. So I'm gonna mix this about. This is gonna be thick now, okay? You should get nice, good moist bread, okay? You don't want no dry ass bread. I don't like no dry ass, crusty ass bread. That's just nasty. And if you got cavities or anything, it's going to rough you up. And it's also going to make the roof of your mouth hurt. Ain't nobody got time for that, okay? Also at this time, if you would like to go ahead and add some nuts or some chocolate chips, whatever you like. I don't have no bread loaf pan, y'all. So what I did is I lined me a muffin tin with some muffin liners. And I'm finna spray that with some coconut spray, oil spray, if you got that. I'm finna spray these up. You don't have to, but sometimes, because it's bread, it'll stick to them wrappers. Alright, so I'm going to make some chocolate chip, and I'm going to make some with currants. So I got my currants here. And I got these are actually, cacao, 97%. Some shit, I don't know. They ain't got no damn sugar, they ain't got no milk, none of that. They just, I'm going to put a little bit of batter in my liners. I'm going to fill them up halfway or whatever you want to call it. just put a dollop, you know, to cover the bottom. And then you finna add your mixins. And this a good way. Like, you know, for kids and stuff, and anybody too stupid to know that they need to eat good, healthy foods. This a good way. Too stupid or too stubborn. I don't care how you feel about what I said. You don't know you ought to eat some vegetables and shit. You damn idiot. So, shit. I mean, I ain't got to say it no nicer than that. How many times you done heard that before? You ain't following them directions. Yeah, I ain't got to be fucking holding your hand about it. Eat your damn greens and shit. If you got kids that don't like that, because you ain't trained them up right yet, then you can sneak their little veggies and their little muffins and shit like this. And their pancakes. Zucchini don't really have a flavor too much. Like, whatever you put it in, it'll just absorb up that flavor. So, I got some currants here. I suppose you could do raisins. I hate raisins. I don't know why. I like currants. They almost taste the same. Whatever. Put your little fixings in there. So, top them off. With more batter. Oh, nuts! I didn't damn preheat the oven! Shit! Preheat the oven to 350. God damn it. Now I gotta wait longer for my damn shit. That's next. It's foolishness. Alright. Ain't no sense in me getting all tripped up about it. I just gotta fucking wait now. I gotta wait longer to eat it now. Which is a real bummer. Shoot. And I didn't distribute my batter even, Steven. So now it's all. Or probably because this wasn't supposed to make no 12 damn muffins. Because I just made that up. This bread damn recipe. It ain't no damn muffin recipe now. I'm trying to spread it out. Something told me don't fill up all my 12 liners and waste them, spray them and shit. But you know, I just did it. Anyway. Now I'm suffering. And then top you know. Oh, goddamn, go in there! Forgot to put nuts in these! You know, I'm just... Damn it! I'm finna get some nuts up on here. Got some sprouted walnuts from the Whole Foods. That's some bullshit, I promise you. I done forgot my nuts. I love nuts. I love them! You can't have like a cookie or a baked good with chocolate in it and not some nuts. Because chocolate just nasty. It ain't even good to eat. But together with some nuts or some caramel. Oh, yes. Okay. So I got to get up in here with these. This is some sprouted walnuts. I'll top these off with my little fixings. I'm going to pop these in for about 20 minutes and check them. All right, y'all. Here they go. That's a good looking one, isn't it? One of each. So this is the zucchini chocolate chip walnut bread. And this is zucchini currant bread. What do I have here? That delicious maple butter that we made last week. I don't know if you watched. I was doing, I was live. And only like 2 people showed up. So you missed out, I guess. Probably. But I guess I'll post that video. I do think I saved it. If I didn't, then you missed out. Alright, so here we go. Got some delicious maple butter. I'm going to get up in here. Look at that. Look how moist that is on the inside. Not all dry and stupid looking. Okay, I'm going to get up in here. I like me a nice good piece of butter. This jam right here. Comment, let me know. Would you like to see a jam recipe? Oh my God. Ooh. Can y'all see up in there? The zucchini? Well, the lemon squash. You see that? Remember all that nutmeg I put up in there? That was a good look. This is a tasty muffin with jam. Oh! Woo! Alright, y'all. Remember to like, comment, share, subscribe, all that kind of stuff. Hope you had a good time today. Thanks for watching. Remember, be decent to yourselves, then be decent to everybody else. Bye.